Congratulations on selecting the 101 Voice IP840G phone for your business. In this video, we're going to show you how to get the most out of your new phone. First, let's take a look at the basic components. The IP840G has a few components that'll be familiar to anyone who has used a landline phone, such as a handset and a dial pad. These function as you would expect. It also has two LCD displays, the main display at the top and the secondary display on the right. Let's take a closer look at the main display. When you're on a call, the main display will show the caller ID information for the person who called you. When you're not on a call, it'll show the time and date. The main display is also used to show your phone's menu options and call history. Under the display, you'll find 4 soft keys, which can perform several different functions. When the phone is idle, you can use the soft keys to look at your call history, your missed calls, set up call forwarding, and access your phone's menu options. The secondary display shows the various functions assigned to your phone's programmable function keys, or PFKs. There are 8 PFKs on your phone, and 5 pages of functions for a total of 40 programmable keys. On page 1, the first 6 PFKs from top to bottom are line keys followed by call park and voicemail. The white key at the bottom is the page switch key, which will cycle through the function pages. The lower section of the display, next to the page switch key, shows what page you're currently on. You can assign a function, such as speed dialing a number, to any key by long pressing it. Now let's look at the other available keys. Above the dial pad, you'll find the navigation keys, consisting of 4 directional arrows with an OK button in the center. These are used for navigating through menu options and lists on the main LCD display. To the left of the navigation keys, you'll find 3 more keys. The top button is the directory, where you can access your contacts. In the middle is the redial button, and at the bottom is the headset button. Under the dial pad, you'll find volume up and down buttons and the mute button. Finally, in the bottom right corner, you'll find the hands-free speaker key and the page jump/configuration key, which allows you to delete PFK pages, but we recommend leaving the pages there if you're not using them. Now that you're familiar with the various components of your phone, let's go over the essential functions. To place a call, either pick up the handset, press the hands-free speaker key, or if you have a compatible headset attached, press the headset key. Then use the dial pad to enter the number. Alternately, you can enter the number first using the dial pad, then pick up the handset or press the speaker or headset key. You do not need to dial a 9 or a 1 before making a call. You also do not need to dial the area code, provided the number you're dialing has the same area code as your phone's caller ID. To redial the number of the last caller, press the redial button, or the redial soft key or dial *69. To place a caller on hold, press the hold soft key. When you're ready to resume the call, press the resume soft key. If you're already on a call and wish to make a call to a different number, you do not need to put the current caller on hold first. Simply press one of your available line keys, and the current caller will be placed on hold automatically. To answer an incoming call, either pick up the handset, press the headset key, press the speaker key, or press the answer soft key on the main display. Your phone supports call waiting and will notify you if you receive an incoming call while you're already on a call. You do not need to put the original party on hold before answering the new call. It'll happen automatically. Here are a few more useful call functions. To access the dial by name menu, dial *66. If you want to hide your caller ID when making a call, dial *67 followed by the number. To play the caller ID of the last person who called you, dial *68. To set up call forwarding, dial *72 followed by the number to which you want to forward your calls. To cancel call forwarding, dial *73. Alternatively, you can configure call forwarding by pressing the call forward soft key. From here, you can configure unconditional, busy, or no answer forwarding for your phone. Your IP840G phone supports call parking, which places an incoming call on a system-wide hold so any other user can retrieve the call. To place a call in park, either press the Call Park PFK or dial #7#. After about 2 seconds, you'll hear the call park extension number, for example, 701. Then press the End soft key or hang up to park the call. The call will remain parked for 2.5 minutes, and anyone can retrieve it by dialing the call park extension. If the call is not picked up, it will return to the phone that parked the call. Pickup groups allow you to use one phone to answer an incoming call on another phone, as long as both phones are in the same pickup group. While another phone is ringing, simply dial ** to intercept the call. To set up a pickup group on your account, contact 101VOICE support. Your IP840G phone supports three-way conference calling, allowing you to speak to two different parties in the same call. To start a three-way conference, while the first party is on the phone, press the conference soft key on the main display. Enter the number or extension for the second party and press the dial soft key. Then press the conference soft key again. To join the conference, use the arrow keys to select the caller on hold and press OK. When you're done with the conference call, you can hang up or press the End soft key to end the call, or the Split soft key to split the callers into two separate calls. If you wish to transfer a call to another party, you have three options: attended transfer, blind transfer, and transfer to voicemail. First, we'll cover the attended transfer. While the first party is on the phone, press the transfer soft key. Dial the number or extension for the second party, then press the dial soft key. When the second party answers, notify them of the transfer. Then press the transfer soft key to complete the transfer. If the second party does not answer, or informs you they are unable to accept the transfer at this time, press End, then Resume, to return to the first party. Now let's look at how to do a blind transfer. The procedure is very similar. First, press the transfer soft key. Then enter the number or extension for the second party as you would for an attended transfer. But instead of pressing dial, simply press transfer again to complete the transfer. Finally, let's look at transferring to voicemail. This allows you to transfer a caller directly to another user's mailbox without ringing the phone. First, press the transfer soft key. Then dial *8 followed by the mailbox number. Then press transfer again to complete the transfer. You can change the ring type or ring volume of your IP840G in the phone's built-in menu. First, press the menu soft key or the OK button. Then, using either the arrow keys or the appropriate number keys on the dial pad, select Settings, then Basic Settings. Then Ring Settings. From here, you can select either ring type or ring volume. You can also change the call volume within the built-in menu of the IP840G. First, press the menu soft key or the OK button. Then, using either the arrow keys or the appropriate number keys on the dial pad, select Settings, then Basic Settings. Then Voice Volume. From here, you can choose to modify the volume for your handset, headset, or hands-free speaker. You can also modify the call volume by pressing the volume up and down keys while you're on a call. To adjust the LCD contrast settings for the IP840G, first, press the menu soft key or the OK button. Choose Settings, Basic Settings, Screen Settings, and finally, Contrast. From here, you can use the arrow keys to increase or decrease the contrast on the LCD to your liking. Now let's go over how to use your voicemail. To access your voicemail from your phone, press the voicemail PFK or dial *1. As long as you're calling from your phone, you don't need to enter your password. It'll log you in automatically. To access your voicemail from another phone in your office, or to access a mailbox other than your own, dial *2 to go to the voicemail portal. You can also access the portal by calling your phone from an outside number, such as your mobile phone. When you hear the voicemail greeting, dial *. Then enter your mailbox number and password. Once you're in your mailbox, press 1 to listen to any messages you have, press 2 to change folders, or press 0 to access your mailbox options. While you're in the Mailbox Options menu, you can press 1 to record your unavailable message, 2 to record your busy message, 3 to record your name, 4 to manage your temporary greeting, 5 to change your password, or * to return to the main menu. Navigating through your messages is similar to many voicemail systems. While listening to your messages, press 4 to return to the previous message, 5 to replay the current message, 6 to go on to the next message, 7 to delete the current message, 8 to forward the message to another user, or 9 to save the message. While the message is playing, you can also press * to rewind or # to skip forward. When you're finished with your voicemail, you can exit by pressing # from the main menu or simply hang up the call. This concludes your training for the 101 Voice IP840G. You are now ready to use your new phone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to call us at 408-739-1000 or email us at support@101voice.com. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing 101 Voice for your business communication.